In the garden, big and wide, with butterflies that dance and glide, lives a world so full of cheer. Come along, let's wander near. The sun is smiling up so high, painting gold across the sky. Clouds are ships that sail so slow, in the breeze they come and go. Flowers bloom in every hue, red and yellow, pink and blue. They whisper stories sweet and low, of where the honeybees all go. A bunny hops behind a tree, wiggles its nose and looks at me. A ladybug with tiny feet marches on in red so sweet. The birds all sing a morning song. Chirp, 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 they sing all along. A rainbow peak so bold and bright, spreading joy and color light. Let's tiptoe past the mushroom ring, where fairies dance and robins sing. If you listen with your heart, you'll hear the magic play its part. So every morning, come and see, the garden waits for you and me. With every leaf and petal spun, it's full of dreams and morning sun.